Install wheel studs into the hub. Torque to 104 Newton meters. Pack the large inner bearing cone with grease. Use gloves. Do the same on the outer bearing. Install the bearing into the hub. Install the grease seal. Now it's time to install the rotor adapter. Torque to 34 Newton meters. Mount the adapter rotor assembly to the hub. Torque the bolts to 61 Newton meters. Time to disassemble the original equipment front brakes. Remove 4 nuts on the back side. Remove any nicks or burrs on the spindle mount face. Install the caliper mount bracket. Slide the hub rotor assembly onto the spindle. Secure the spindle nut with a new cutter pin. Time to install fittings and steel braided lines. Install and center the caliper. Install brake pads and cutter pin. And do the same on the right side. Time to bleed the brake system. This is one type of bleeding. Thank you for watching.